Good afternoon, Clay.Thompson here with Guaranty RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a quick video on a 2019 Coachmen Chaparral 370 FL. Very nice floor plan front living. Come on inside, we'll start from inside. As we walk in here, nice wood look floor on the kitchen area. Nice big counter area here on the door side. Residential sized microwave, 3-burner cooktop, nice big oven. It's got a nice little area here for the garbage can right by the door. Spacious cabinets throughout, nice and deep. Nice wood with glass inlay in the kitchen area that's backlit. Don't have power to this one, I'm sorry, but it's got plenty of lights, LED lights throughout the whole counter or kitchen. Solid surface countertops. Nice big stainless double sink with the large spray nozzle that pulls out, so it makes it nice, easy to do dishes. Plenty of plug-ins. Below cabinetry. We pan over through. You got the nice big 4-door fridge. Norcoal refrigerator with recessed floor in the freezers. Makes it handy, as well as adjustable racks and the ice trays to make ice cubes. Nice big dinette area, four chairs, table that's got leaves on each end that fold out to make a nice big table. Side hallway here into the bathroom. Porcelain toilet, nice big shower, storage areas, places to hang the towels. Skylight makes it real bright in the bathroom, makes it real nice as well. And for you tall people, you have no problem in this shower and bathroom area because with the tall ceiling. And we pan around into the bedroom. We have a washer and dryer cabinet here, or if we choose not to, just another nice big closet. These guys, it's a vacuum bonded floor, so the heat ducts come through. You'll see some through the above floor areas, but it's a nice solid floor all the way through. Lots of wardrobe area. Place for a TV in the bedroom, nice big flat screen. Drawers, solid wood drawer areas, drawers down below, through. This has a nice big king bed. Notice the big windows throughout the bedroom, so it really brightens it up. A lot of your front living room floor plans you look at in brand X, Y, and Z, you'll notice when you walk into the bedrooms, they're very dark. Just because of the lack of windows and how they place their wardrobes. Chaparral did a great job with their floor plan on this, and it really brightens up the rear bedroom. We have a emergency second door out the side door here for your emergency access, or just a back door to get through to. More cabinets as we move forward into the dining area. That makes it real nice. Up in the living area up front here. Nice big Furrion TV, fireplace, more cabinetry, opposing couches with the Thomas Paine Theater seating right directly in front of the TV. These make it into hide-a-beds as well up top, or a nice area if we wanted to just put a air mattress down, or even with the kids with just the sleeping bags on the living room floor at nighttime. Works out real well. Dual roof air conditioning, 50 amp service, auto leveling system. You know, they really didn't miss much on this coach. Come on outside, show you some of the exterior features. It's got the big huge patio awning, exterior speakers, pre-wired and set up for exterior television if want to. It's got the nice 4-step aluminum tread extruded non-slip steppings. LED light strip underneath the big patio awning. Nice big huge basement. 1-inch thick baggage doors. Heated and insulated basement area. Propane tank, one on each side. This is what I call the cold storage up front, where we would put 2 batteries in it, and then you have places for your exterior tools and whatnot that you don't need in the heated area. This does have the auto leveling system. The other slide of the front living area here. The docking station on this side, and then the battery disconnect switch and your leveling controls on the other side there. Very easy to access. Notice with the slide above, the door swings out sideways instead of lifts up, so we don't have to worry about hitting that. Another great thought when they built this and designed this trailer. These guys use Azdel in their walls rather than wood Luan. So Azdel is a non-wicking material that goes behind this layer. If we get a leak, it doesn't cause expansion in our, which Luan would do, Azdel will not, as well as act as an insulator and a sound deadener. Kudos to Chaparral for using that material. It's something that might be coming along down the future with other makes and models, but Chaparral is doing it, and it's a great feature to have in an RV in the Northwest, especially in the rain areas. Nice big back here with the big back window I spoke about when we were in the bedroom. Has the receiver hitch here for bike racks or attachments, pre-wired for backup camera. Nice stylish wheel, alloy wheel with the big 16-inch rubber. Again, this unit, let me catch the dry weight on this one. Forest River puts the dry weights on all of their tongues on their trailers or pin boxes of the fifth wheels as it comes out of the shop. And this one's just a little over 12,000 pounds, equipped the way it's equipped in a nice big front living room floor plan. So probably one of the lighter versions of the front living floor plans, partially because of that Azdel and the way Coachmen Chaparral designed this trailer. So a lot of neat features that I probably didn't talk about in this video, but if you call me, be happy to talk to you about it. Again, my name is Clay.Thompson with Guaranty RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. My direct number is 541-979-1770. Remember to give me a call. I'd be happy to talk with you. Thank you and have a great day.